Hello everyone, this is Storm11 here. Today we'll be taking a look at the November forecast for this year. This is only for the first half, actually, for 2018. Now before I start this video, I highly recommend to hit the subscribe button. It's a red box that says subscribe. Maybe hit that subscribe button, there'll be an icon on the right side. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Also leave a like on the video and it'll help a lot on my channel get more popular for people to watch. So I want to talk about a couple things on this forecast, and that's first of all the setup. Of course we'll be looking at my forecast, and this is something I've been thinking of that the models are kind of trending into, and also a little bit of a tropical update down around Mexico area, the East North Pacific. So we're going to be starting off with the GFS model here, and this only goes out to November 6th. So right now it's dry, except for over there in the west, and scattered snow showers up in the northeast possible, or flurries. We got a clipper going on up there in southern Canada, passing by, and it becomes a little bit of a system there if possible, but that ain't going to cause not much problems. A system possibly from Willa, actually down here. We're going to have to watch that system actually closely, and you'll see why. So you can see here, it becomes a lot more stronger, kind of like a tropical storm system. It's close to that, but not really. We got another clipper system going past the Midwest. But this one here is something we gotta watch. Watch this. This is only 987 millibars, so that's very low pressure. Look at that. Snow is trying to come up. I don't know if this is a glitch or not, because that's what was showing yesterday of a possible glitch from GFS. But look at what it's showing. A lot of sleet, maybe some freezing rain up in like Vermont, New Hampshire, or even up in Maine or New York State. And it just continues just to push to the north. Then we get a little bit of a trough right here. Oops, did not mean to do that. Got some leftover snow possible for New York State. Not too much of a trough. Another system trying to develop right here in the Central Plains. This is during Halloween now. I'm going to make a forecast on there soon on Halloween. Got a lot of mountain snow going on in the Rockies. It's quite a bit. And that forms to a major system up to Canada. Then we get another system for the Rockies. This one here because of another large system. Then brings a pretty good amount of snow for Canada and maybe for the Great Lakes. Again, that's November 5th. And then that's kind of it. That's 384 hours out. So, also looking at the GFS model, well, we will do the European now before we reach to something, the setup that I want to talk about. And so we're going to go pretty much all the way into 11 a.m. on Tuesday. See, we got a lot of tropical rains going on in the Gulf. Now let's go to 11 a.m. on Wednesday. Not too much left over. 9 p.m. 8 a.m. It seems like we get something new trying to pop up over there. Now it becomes a little bit more of a tropical system there. Now this small ain't showing too much. Then it starts to move more faster, but look over here, folks. Seems some snow possible in Maryland or Pennsylvania. Up there just north of Washington, D.C. If we go to 11 a.m. on Saturday, still got some snow trying to pop up in Pennsylvania, but that's kind of on the low end side of happening. So this system is pretty large. We still got a little bit of snow possible up in the northeast, but then, boom, 8 a.m. on Sunday. Look at this. That is sleet or freezing rain is what those icons are right there, the explanation points. And look at all this snow happening back in Pennsylvania. That's quite a bit of snow. 6 p.m. on Sunday. this is a really big system to watch. And look, that's a major snowstorm system there. And there must be a lot of cold air behind it. So that's a very strong system. Actually, a strong cold front, I should say. Maybe even some snow trying to pop up in the Smoky Mountains around North Carolina and Tennessee, possible. Now, if we just look at the snow totals here, if we go out to 10 days, look at this snow here, folks. Right around New York State, maybe to see 9 inches. Up in Maine, probably at least 10 inches, maybe 11, about a foot of snow up there. That's quite a bit of snow. And then look at that, 20 inches of snow just north of Quebec. Forgot to show you all the snow totals for the GFS. Do apologize. Snowfall for the GFS. Yeah, and that's kind of a glitch, isn't it, from the GFS? Wow, it's actually extremely glitched out for a lot of things, actually. Yeah, it's pretty darn bad from the GFS, so we won't look into it too closely on the snow totals for GFS because it seems like it's having some issues. But if we go over here to the Conmeteorology, this is something I want to, we gotta really look on. And this is a really useful website. I use this on for like severe weather stuff. If y'all follow my channel for quite a while. So we got the north jet stream going on here. We also got the southern jet stream. Now watch these two. They kind of merge over here. Now this is 39 hours. But if we continue, there's your northern jet stream right here. You got your southern jet. So maybe some severe weather may try to develop in the plains. This is 144 hours south. So this is October 26th on a Friday. They merge, but then look at that major trough though. That's a major trough for the Mid-Atlantic in the Great Lakes region. And look at this northern jet stream and the southern jet stream. Make it a major trough there. Make it a very strong cold front out here. And also this is from pretty sure this is the possible nor'easter that we gotta look at, like it is for the GFS. So if we go and continue along, we got another major trough wanting to try to come up. This is October 30th here, so it's near Halloween. We got a major trough out here in the northwest. You still got the server jet, so more pressure is trying to come up right up there. But my goodness, look how this is a huge trough here from the northern jet stream. This is the southern jet stream there. Look at that. This is 288 hours out, and this is November 2nd. Then if we continue along, yeah, that's just something else there. Quite a bit. So there's your northern jet stream really wanting to take over. Now this is something I want to look at because wherever you get like here, let's go back. I want to see where both of them merge at a couple points. Alrighty, so right here you got here, let me get my pen out actually. So you got your northern jet stream wanting to come down this way. You know what, that's actually not a good color. Which one could stand out better? Does brown work? Yeah, that does work. Okay, so we'll use the brown pen. So you got your northern jet stream. You also got your southern jet stream right along here. Now this is something I wouldn't be concerned about because right here at this point makes it like a major low pressure system. And if y'all watch it closely, actually, you'll see it that it actually. Unless so that happens, well, I guess I don't want to use the pen. Actually, I guess I'll just use my mouse then. So, if you watch that close, it makes a major trough, and it makes the low pressure systems or whatever go northeast. And that's, somebody called it a deadly setup. Here's another example. You got your southern jet stream coming up here, and you got your northern jet stream going on there. Makes a major trough there. Whenever that happens, you may even try to get a snowstorm that probably will try to develop like right along here, following along that jet stream. So we really gotta look into. Alrighty, I don't know how long I'll be recording, so let's go ahead and get into the winter forecast here. Not winter. The first half of November. So this is why I got here for the temperatures. So I got below average temperatures for the good chunk over here around the Great Lakes region, the Ohio Valley up to the northeast. While my prediction over here, there could be a major high pressure there, blocking it for quite a bit. There is one point that one of the models that wanted to try to show a little bit of a trough there, but on average, it's going to be above for the most part. So you may get a high pressure system, like your jet stream goes here and the sovereign goes there. Florida, you may still be kept a little bit warm. For the most part, it's just slightly above average. So, in equal chances, just around for a little bit of the plains area. Oh yeah, if you don't know what equal chances are, you could either get slightly below average temperatures, or slightly above average temperatures, or in between. So, you can get a chance from either one there. Now, this is with the tracks here and the precipitation here. It might look like a mess, but I'll tell y'all what it is. So I'm predicting below average precipitation where the high pressure will be at for the most part. Got a little bit of a small area as well. I'm not seeing like much rain up there. But when they merge, this is when the above average precipitation comes in there because they become a bigger system. Now, this here's the northern jet right here, and that's the southern jet. My prediction is it probably will combine around here and become a major system. I may bring down the slightly above average precipitation down to southern Florida, but I'm not really too sure just yet. Also, I'm not sure that a couple of systems may want to try to go on the Gulf except for the northern jet stream to go along here, because it can go like this, and then it'll combine like right over here, which I'm not 100% sure yet, but that's just like happening a little bit early. The next system that wants to come up. Now, by the way, what's coming from over here, that's actually tropical systems actually, like Willa, Remainance, or some other tropical system wants to come along here and then goes up and combines with the northern jet. And you also got Clipper systems going along here, and some of the Clipper systems are up there, but that's just in like late October there. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this November outlook for the first half. This is only for the first half of November. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's the red box. Whenever you hit the red box, there's a bell icon on the right side. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload, and also leave a like if you want to see more content like this. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.